Hello everyone, I am Bristy. Today I'm joining for Let's Draw with me. Wow, it's nice for. This straw is the pink, orange, light pink, the sky, red, the sky. It's yellow-green. It's light pink color. Light orange color. It's dark blue color. It's red color. Thanks for watching.